Guide said it is world heritage, means it is international level heritage. So we will make it in English. So with us there is a guide Nagaraja.
Namaste, my name is Nagaraj. I am born and brought up from Hampi only.
Okay, so
Since 1994, I am working this job.
okay, from 94 you are working as a guide.
Yes.
Wow, that time I did not born also.
Yes, sir.
So this is our first place.
Yeah.
So what is the name
Before
of this place?
before that, this is the place name called Narasimha, and next I will take a lingam also. So
Okay.
before that, I have explained you background of history. Is
Okay.
okay, right?
Okay. So let's start.
So this is the map of Hampi, sir. In this map, now we are here. This is the place name called Lingam and Narasimha. Locally we call this a Badavi Lingam and Narasimha. After that, I will take a Krishna temple.
Okay.
After Krishna temple, I will take a mustard Ganesh. We have two Ganesh in Hampi. One is we called mustard, another one is we called peanut or groundnut. Actually smaller and larger. So after this mustard Ganesh, then I will take a Hemakuta hill.
Okay.
After Hemakuta hill, sir, I will take a Virupaksha temple.
Okay.
And Hemakuta, there are more than 20 Shiva temples are there.
Oh my God.
It's all from earlier Vijayanagar. So I will tell you that. So then I will take a Virupaksha.
Okay.
It's an active temple, the Shiva temple, sir. After Virupaksha temple, I will take a Hampi Bazaar.
Okay.
After Hampi Bazaar, we'll go for bank of river. There is a Kodandarama temple and Entrodhara is there. Very beautiful landscape also is there.
Okay.
Then after that, we will back. I will take you. I will show you one more Ganesh. There's a groundnut or peanut Ganesh.
Okay.
Locally we call that Kadale Kalu Ganesh.
Kadale kalu.
Yeah, it means peanut. Then after that, I will take you lotus. We enter for the royal enclosure. There is a lotus mahal and watchtower and elephant stable is there.
Okay.
After elephant stable, I will take a Hazara Rama temple. Near Hazara Rama temple, a royal enclosure is there and even palace area also is there. So there is a black staple tank and Pushkarni aqueduct is there, and some palace basement also is there. Then I will take a queen bath.
Okay.
So after queen bath, I will take a Vithala temple. There is a stone chariot and musical pillar.
Okay.
After that, if we have a time, I will take you bank of river. There is also old stone bridge and King Balance also is there.
Okay.
So this is our today program, sir. Actually, this is the biggest archaeological site in India. But it's archaeologists mentioned majorly 83 monuments. So you want to see each and everything. Minimum it will take a week.
1 week.
1 week, sir.
Okay. Next I will plan
Okay,
once
sir.
again. We
Okay,
will cover remaining.
Yes, sir. So now we are at a place name called Hampi. For this, Hampi had a totally 5 names is there. The first name we call this Kishkinda. Kishkinda means chief of monkey Hanuman birthplace. Because during of our epic period, Rama and Lakshmana will come here only to search for Sita.
Okay.
So they met for the Vali and Sugriva, Hanumanta, Jamant, all monkey armies. So that's what we called in the Vijayanagara period, Ramayana period, this is the Kishkinda. Kishkinda means it's very narrow place, it's very narrow. That, and a second name called Anegundi. Anegundi means it's the other side of river, still royal descendant also is there. Before Hampi that was capital city, sir. In Sanskrit word it's called Kunjara Konam also. And then third name called Vidyanagar. Because Vidyananda Swamiji, he was the founder of this city. For his memorial, we call city name Vidyanagar also.
Okay.
And tourist and pilgrim known as Vijayanagar. Vijay means victory, Nagara means city. This was victory city because King Krishna Deva Raya, he was captured all South India, sir.
Okay. All South India.
All South India.
That time.
Yeah, that time only. That's what we call this the victory city or Vijayanagar, but now called Hampi. Hampi means actually it's a ruined. Because we had very big battle between Vijayanagara emperors and the Bahmani sultans. So that time Vijayanagara emperors lost the battle. Then invaders came here. They staying 6 months but destroyed everything. Everything is they broken the temple, they looted gold, silver, some precious stone, they burning the palaces and totally convert for the Hindu people to Muslim. And sexually they use Hindu women, even children also. So that's why we call in our language Halu Kompe. Now we call Kompe or Hampe.
Okay.
It's a ruined. So I told you Vidyananda Swamiji, he was the founder of this city because sir around the Hampi we had a lot of hill and hillocks are there. Majorly 7 hills. The first hill name called Hemakuta Hill, sir.
Okay.
I will take you later. Then Matanga Hill is there, Gandha Madana Hill and Rishamukha, sir, and Anjanadri and Malyavanta and Jambavanta. Totally 7 hills between the river Tungabhadra is there.
Okay.
All 7 hills look like an actual fortification. 7 hills between river Tungabhadra is there. Pani bhi hai. And then near that we have fertilizer land also is there. Very fertile land. That's why we have main crops here: sugarcane, banana, and coconut.
Okay.
Plenty of water is there. But all hills look like a grey color, sir, or some pink. Yeah, all that hills.
Everywhere there is stones only.
Yeah, yeah. So, but all this look like a grey or pink color. Originally it is a white granite, like this only, sir. Very, very difficult to carve. That's why Vijayanagara emperors always they built ground floor is stone. Upper side they use brick and plaster.
Okay.
Brick and, because that is easy to carry up, and also for weight reduce. That's why we have less carving, but lot of temple is there. Okay, it is a, I told you already 26 square kilometer area, sir. So one thing I told you, Vidyananda Swamiji, he was a founder of this city only because he was studied in Kashmir, sir.
Okay.
With his brother Sayana, with Mishra Pandit sir. Mishra Pandit is his teachers, and that time he saw there for the South India. That's time we have very small kings are here. I mean, in Andhra Pradesh Kakatiyas, sir. In Tamil Nadu Pandyas are there, and in Karnataka Hoysala kings. But in north there is only Mughals are there.
Okay.
Mughals at that time, Vidyananda Swami's first name called Madhavachari. So he came with his brother. He went to for Sringeri, sir. In Sringeri, he takes some Dikshas. So after Dikshas, sir, his name is changed. His name is called Vidyaranya Swamiji. But he has very lot of knowledge, sir. That's what we call Vidyaranya Swamiji. He came with his brother and Sangama sons also. We call them Hakka, Bukka, Kampana, Marapa, Muttappa. They search for the locations in this area. Okay. And first they were chosen the Anegundi only.
Okay.
First 20 years ruled there only, for 1336 to 1356, the Hariyaras. Then Bukka changed for this place. From there to he came south, and he was chosen this place only. So what inverts are left, I will show you that thing. Okay. And before that, what happens is going there. And here ruled, sir, totally 4 dynasties was ruling here. The first dynasty name called Sangama dynasty.
Sangama dynasty.
Yes, Sangama dynasty. That's ruled 1336 to 1485. In Sangama dynasty, these 3 kings are very famous kings. We call them Hakka and Bukka and Devaraya.
Okay.
Devaraya is also very famous. His name is called Imadi Devaraya. So he has a title Gazabentekara because he is hunting for the elephants. Okay. And he is also father of this area also, we call Vijayanagara period, because he still already built a lot of reservoir and some irrigation canals also. Irrigation, father of irrigation system in this area. And a second name called, sir, a second dynasty name called Salva dynasty, Sangama Salvas. In Salva only Narasimha is famous. And third dynasty name called Tuluva dynasty. In Tuluva dynasty there is a Narasanayaka is there. He had 3 wives. Tipambika, Obambika, and Naglambika. Naglambika is the mother of Krishnadevaraya. So Krishnadevaraya period we call normally golden age or golden era. Krishnadevaraya means he is not tall man, he is very short. Okay. He is not handsome, smallpox on the face. Oh. But mentally, physically very strong, very brave, very intelligent. So he had a totally 4 wives. In history they mentioned her only first and second wife, Chinnadevi and Tirumala Devi. She had one more wife, Jagan Mohini, and Annapurna Devi also. 4 wives, but he knows all South Indian languages. And he wrote 2 notes. One is a Sanskrit, one is Telugu. Amukta Maulyada and Jambavanta Kalyana also. But he was also, he was ruled only 20 years. First 11 years, he was won 14 battles. He never lost any battles. Oh. That's why maybe he changed the city name, Victory City or Vijayanagara. Okay. But he is very tired in battle time. So he was also died very early, around 40, maybe 40 years.
He died of natural cause?
Natural, but he had a disease, sir, for the cholera. Okay. Cholera disease he had.
Same like Shivaji Maharaj.
Yeah. And then when he died, then his brother will take the coronation. His name is called Achyuta Devaraya. So he was ruled only 12 years. Then one more nephew was taking the coronation. His name is called Sadashivaraya. He is a very weak king. So that time, son-in-law of the Krishna Devaraya, we called him Ramarayas. Actually, there are 3 brothers, Ramaraya, Venkatadri, Tirumalas. So they took him, they put in the jail. Okay. Ramaraya in the jail only. But he is the king. But all administration, his hand only. He is very powerful, Ramaraya, that's why. So that time we had here 1 million army was here. 1 million? 1 million. It's very big, sir. After Beijing, we have a lot of people here. Very big. So then opponent, I mean Bijapur, Golconda, Ahmednagar, Bidar, Birar, opponent have only 500,000 army. So that time they are also each others, they are a lot of time fighting here.
Okay.
That time Ram Raya sent some armies there for helping someone. From them only take some tax and hire some slaves also. So one day 1565 before, what happens is going there, Ram Raya, he had overconfident because we had 1 million army.
Okay.
So that he gave a lot of jobs to the Jain people and even Muslim people. They are also local, they are very honestly. And same time, opponent of these people, we call them Bijapur, Golconda, that guys, they selected 2 Muslim brothers. We call them Gilani brothers. So they sent here only. When they sent here, they came here, they requested the Rama. When they requested the Rama, he gave the job to them.
Okay.
When he gave the job. Okay. When he gave the job to them, they collect the all secret from this place. As a soldiers they are joining, then one day they are actually commander of armies. And when they informed the others, they came very near on the bank of Krishna river, and they built one village name called Islampur.
Islampur.
Islampur, because they are Muslim people. So when they built Islampur, then they make for weapons. When weapons are ready, they declare war against Hindu people or Vijayanagar. So that time we had overconfidence. Our Ram Raya and some armies, they told them, where you are, we'll come there and do fight. So do not come there. Means this is overconfidence. So that time he went to there only. It will take 4 days to go there. So that time, and who working in our army, they bought a lot of captains here. They give gold, girl, drinks, what they want, like a spices. So then war is over. So that time war started 1565 January 23 and Tuesday. That time main minister Rama Raya, he was on palanquin. I mean palaki.
Okay.
When he was on set on palaki, that time sir, next to him they pre-planned, they took an elephant and by force they touched the elephant to him only. When touched the elephant to him, he was fell down from the palanquin immediately. Then this Muslim brother taking that up ministry and cut the heads and showing for our soldiers. Our soldiers took that up ministry, they run away because leader was dying. When invaders came here, they staying 6 months but destroyed everything.
They planned a very nice strategy, yeah?
Yes, sir. Yeah, very nice strategy. Right? From there only, sir, and his brother Ramarai brother also one died. One more brother will come, and he took for royal family here, and 1,500 elephants and some treasury, and they run away from here to Andhra Pradesh, Penugonda. There again established there only. But after the invaders, I told you, they destroyed everything. Then they'll back after 1 or 2 years. They come and they search for here only.
Okay.
And so they destroyed something also. And from there to again they attack for the Penugonda. From their kings they run away to again Penugonda to Golden Temple is there, no sir. Vellore.
Okay.
They went to Vellore also. Like this. But totally after 1565 actually nothing here. But in India everywhere all kingdom was born political influence except Hampi.
Okay.
Hampi is born for only our heritage and to protect for our Hinduism, sir.
Yes.
That purpose of this. This is the place, and I already told you. So now we'll go for the Narasimha place, sir.
Okay.